I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your scanner is not working in Windows 11. So the first solution is to head over to your Start menu and search for Services and then click on the Services window. Now scroll all the way down until you see a service called Print Spooler, and once you found this service, just double click on it. Make sure the startup type is set to automatic and make sure the service status is set to running. So if this service is stopped, you can click on the Start button to go and start it and then press apply and OK. Once you've done that, right click on the service and click on restart. Now, next step is to scroll all the way down until you come over to the W section and you're looking for this service here, which is Windows Image Acquisition. Now, once you found this, double click on it, change the startup type to automatic, and we're going to click on the Start button to go and run this service. Once you've done that, press apply and OK, and then right click on the service again and click on restart. And now you can close out of this window. The next solution is to head back over to your Start menu and search for Troubleshoot and then click on Troubleshoot Settings. Click on Other Troubleshooters and click on the Run button next to Printer. Now what you can do is scroll down to the bottom where it says, do we have your consent to try this diagnostic tool? Click on yes, and this is going to try and diagnose any issues with your printer. So what you can do is just go and try the suggestions listed for you. Now the next solution is to head over to your Start menu and search for Control Panel and then click on the Control Panel window. In the top right hand side, make sure View By is set to large icons and click on Devices and Printers. Scroll down to Printers and Scanners and click on this. Click on the Add Device button and you need to go and add your printer to your computer. So if you can't automatically detect your printer or scanner, you can always click on Add a New Device manually and you can pick from one of the list of options to go and detect your printer. So for example, you can add via Bluetooth, wireless or network discoverable printer and click on Next. Now once your printer is connected, you can check to see if your scanning is now working, and it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.